The Street GP concept isn't about just looking fast. It's a tribute to high stakes of World of Grand Prix racing. Historically, GP bikes were prototypes machine built with zero compromise where every gram of weight and every millimeter of bodywork serves one purpose: speed. In a local sense, we've taken that track day philosophy and brought it to the pavement to ride every day. When you blend that racing DNA with a platform like Yamaha Sniper 155, you get the machine that keeps its King of Street title but adds a level of surgical precision. It's about taking that aggressive head-down geometry, elbows out, from the circuit and refining it for the rider who values the clean, intentional build over flashy accessories. Today on VNC Features, we're diving into the build that perfectly executes its balance. This is a Sniper 155 Street GP by car.
I got black, I got white, what you want? Hop outside a ghost and hop up in a fan on. I know I'm about to blow, whoa, whoa, ain't done. They try to take my floor, I take their ass for ransom. I know that I'm gone, they see me blowing up, now they say they want some.
So here we are again. So we have the Street GP concept of my younger brother, the Sniper 155 of my younger brother, the Street GP. So, bakit nga ba Street GP concept yung napili niya? Hindi Malaysian, hindi Thai look, hindi Indo. Street GP talaga. So, well, let's go back. Ano ba yung hilig ng kapatid ko is to go on corners. He loves banking very much. Corners, top speed. Di man siya anong top speed, pero he loves the corners, the curves, mountain curves, yung ganun. That's why he chose Yamaha Sniper as his base bike. Because he loves corners and he loved the power of the Yamaha Sniper, the acceleration, the torque, especially the VVA one. So, review na po natin yung kanyang mga accessories. This is a simple yet impactful build of my brother. So, let's start with the cockpit po guys, no? So, hindi po siya nakabend handlebar, stock handlebar na po yan. He uses this arm extension. Gumamit po siya ng pang Raider na yung old generation ni Raider side mirrors. Pinutol niya, nilagay niya dito sa adapter. So this is the first thing you can see. Next is yung kanyang handle grip is Nagamaki handle grip. Very nice, very okay when I used it. So this is the ordinary. So hindi po siya bumili ng RCB na handguard. Both sides po yan. Next is the RCB S2 or S1 na levers. Okay, syempre hindi mawawala to. CNC bolts, almost let's say 40%, I guess. Okay, so that's the cockpit of the Yamaha Sniper 155 of my brother. So now let's go here at the front brake of the Yamaha Sniper 155. But before that, I show it to you the Senlo X1 mini driving light. Sobrang linaw po yan guys, no? Sobrang maliwanag tuwing gabi. So okay, it's all stock all the way. This is the Gaara love yung sa kanyang noo, because we are now two fans, by the way. Now let's go back. This is the what do you call this, stock brakes. Maybe papalitan niya po yung Brembo or Nissin, I think. Pero Nissin na talaga to. This is a smoke bracket extension kasi nag big disc po siya na floating. Smoke din po yung brand. Okay, tires, stock tires ng Extra Max ng Maxxis, both front and rear. So stock brake calipers lang po siya. Nag-upgrade lang siya ng big disc at naglagay na siya ng bracket. Of course, it's CNC. So let's proceed on this side now. This is the I suggested this for my brother since this is a Silent Killer Pipe Replica Pro for Sniper 155. Yes, this is Replica Pro. So ito, pinagawa niya to na local shop doon sa Cebu kasi naputol yung kanyang bracket sa kanyang tambutso. So this is a Replica Pro original. Meron po yung papel doon sa sinend niya po sa akin in case na mahuhuli po siya ng LTO or I guess LTO or enforcer, police, I think. Okay. So next in line is yung shifter niya. This is the RCB S1. I'm sure this is S1 kasi nandito binili ito nung lumaba siya mula sa barko sa Manila. Okay, RCB S1. Good rin po yung comfort niya sa kanyang shifter. A connect setup of the Street GP is the O10 seat. Somebody call this O10 seat, but this is a racing seat now. So it purpose is to stop you from getting sub going there because this is really powerful braking. Stuck lang po pero sobrang lakas na po ng braking niya. So RCB S1 din po sa kaliwa kanan. So his chain set is RK chain set po to. Nag-upgrade po siya ng 1447 48 dito sa pangal to increase the power of the VVA and 6 speed. So ginawa niya pong low speed yung kanyang sprocket set. So that's the most notable upgrades he used. That's just a physical upgrade po guys, no. Meron po siyang ECU upgrade, no, ignition upgrade. So UMA Racing yung spark plug niya, UMA Racing din po yung kanyang ignition coil at pitch bike yung ECU. Remap na po siya. Top speed is almost about 160, 155 nung asawa ko na po yung gumamit nito. Sobrang lakas, sobrang tulin, no? So that's all for the parts and the comfort. So now let's move on to the sound check of this Replica Pro. I'm gonna start this. Medyo nag-error pa siya. Meron kasi error. Wala pa sa hindi pa po tinanggal. So that's a sound check of a Replica Pro. If you are curious what's the sound of that. So that's all for the parts. Body of the Yamaha Sniper 155 of my brother Carl.
Ela desce, ela sobe no baile, é pressão. Mina linda, perigosa, rouba meu coração. Vai quicando, vai jogando, não bate a razão. No batidão, só para tentação. Desce, ela sobe no baile, é pressão. Mina linda, perigosa, rouba meu.
At the end of the day, a clean build like Carl's Sniper 155 reminds us that modification is an art form. It's not about how many parts you bolt on, it's about how those parts talk to each other to create cohesive Street GP identity. Carl didn't just build a fast bike, he built an inspiring one. Hopefully, seeing the details on this machine gives you some ideas on your next project. Whether you're aiming for a tucked-in racing look or just trying to simplify your own daily ride. If you got this build that follows this clean philosophy, want to see it? Drop the comment down below or tag us on TikTok. Thanks for joining us for the first episode of VNC Features. Ride safe, keep it surgical. See you on the next one.